We're getting up close and personal today, folks. We're doing brows. Okay, so just picked these two up from Walgreens. I've never used either one before, but I am all about tiny, tiny, tiny little objects to get my brows to look the most natural. So let's see how this goes. Plucking your brows can be time consuming, so we're gonna speed through this a little bit. Just make sure that your brows remain even and in the desired shape that you want to achieve. Okay, so now that we have our brows exactly where we want them, I am going to start off with the pomade, and I got this in deep brunette. You'll notice that I use two different colors for my brow products. That's the best way to achieve a natural brow look because you are creating dimensional brows versus just a brow that's one color. So you can see that I'm using short like strokes to create the frame around my brows. Brows are so very important. You are literally shaping the face. You are setting the tone for your face. The phrase that we stick with around here is, on the twins, we depends, okay? There will be people in this world that tell you, oh, your brows are more like sisters, not twins. I would not want to walk around with me and my sister as brows on anyone's face. Why? Because we look too different. We're both beautiful, yes, but we don't match on someone's face. I would like for them to be very Tia and Tamara-ish, okay? Very Mary-Kate and Ashley Olsen-like. I need my brows to look as identical as possible. You're going to see me utilize this brush a lot because that brush helps to pick up excess product that may have fallen onto the actual skin versus latching onto the hairs of the brows, and it just helps to pick up any excess. We're brushing upward just to get more of a dimensional look because we want more color towards the bottom of the brows, the closer that you move in towards the face. All right, and now we are picking up the definer pencil. I wanted to select this pencil when I saw it in store because of how tiny it is. I love products that replicate actual hair. So as you can see, I'm going in quickly and just drawing very short hair-like strokes to achieve that extra dimensional look. Now, the pomade is deep brunette and the pencil itself is just brunette because I don't want them to match. I need the products to be dimensional in color because everyone has multiple shades of color in their hair. Ooh, and we are finished. Here's the finished product, folks. I am thoroughly impressed with how this turned out. You know it's serious business when you start voguing your brows. All right, guys, so make sure to like this video and subscribe to the Walgreens channel. And don't forget to follow me over at OMG Bre. I love these brows.